Now, an overview of workers' compensation in Illinois. There's 3 basic rights: weekly pay, called workers' comp, rights to medical care within 2 choices of doctor, and settlement value once you've completed treatment. Now, once you've gotten hurt at work, you have 45 days to provide notice of the injury to the employer. If you wait longer, you may lose your legal rights to pursue a case. Now, verbal notice is all that's required, but it's harder to prove in court, more of a he said, she said kind of a thing. So you're better off within a week or so to provide a written report of how you were injured and what body parts were affected. If you can use email, that's the best way. Whether you make the written report or your employer does, make sure you get a copy of that report in case they try to deny they were told of the injury. Now, from the moment you provide notice of the injury to your employer, you're in a litigation process whether you like it or not. The insurance company has a playbook they will follow to try to minimize your medical and pay benefits, so there are things you should watch out for. When treating, do tell the doctor that you're treating for a work injury and explain how and when the injury happened and what part of your body was injured. Restate this information every time you see a new doctor. Some employers will drive their employees to the ER and encourage them not to mention the work injury. If you fall into this trap, you will not have a case. The insurance adjusters and judges will always look at the first medical history to see if it matches up with the work injury and reflects that you were injured at work. If your history reflects no cause for why you're treating or a reference to an old sports injury, that will cause big problems for your case. So no matter what, do tell the doctor that you're there treating for a work injury and explain how the injury happened and every part of your body that was affected. Going to social media. If you're being treated for a work injury and you're doing something and there's a question about whether you should post it, do not post it on social media. An important aspect is to know that aggravations of a pre-existing condition are covered under the Act. If you have treated in the past for a shoulder condition, but you've been working full duty and an incident takes place on the job that makes that condition worse, affects your function, or causes you to seek medical treatment, you have a case. You should get time off pay, medical treatment, and a settlement once you're done treating. These situations can be complicated. If you have one, please call me. Now, time is your enemy. Do not delay in treatment, do not delay in providing notice, and do not delay in calling me if you have any questions. The system will use this delay against you.